Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make this primitive picket fence. Let's get started. To complete this project, you're going to need wire cutters, some wire, and some sticks. You could use regular popsicle sticks, but they were a little wider than what I wanted, so I've got these slim sticks. They're a 1/4 inch wide, and I'm going to cut them later, but for now I'm going to use them the full size. And I'll also use some spray paint to paint the whole thing when I'm finished. I want my finished fence to be 10 inches, so I am going to cut 2 pieces of wire 30 inches. I multiplied 10 by 3 to come up with 30 inches, and I need 2 pieces of wire, one for the top and one for the bottom. So first thing you do is take each piece of wire and fold it in half. And then take one of the sticks, figure out how tall you want your fence to be, and then about 1/3 of the way down you want to place the wire and twist it real close . Just twist it 2 or 3 times. And then take the other wire and put it down, place it, slide it in so the folded part of the wire is at the edge of the stick, and then go down about the same distance again and twist the wire again. And then take another stick and place it in between the wires. Make sure you get it tight up against your twist. And twist again. And just keep repeating this process. As you go, the sticks are going to move up and down a little bit, able to level them out as you go. When you get to the end, slide the last stick in and do a single twist on each wire. And then you want to cut the wires to about 3/4 of an inch or so. Then wind them back through. Now at this point my fence is pretty crooked and uneven, so I'm going to take a little bit of time and straighten it up and get it just like I want it. And my goal here is a primitive looking fence, so I don't really want it to be perfect. There, I like the way that looks. Now I'm going to use my spray paint and spray paint it on both sides. I have the fence painted now, so my next step is to measure where I want to cut off the bottom part of the fence. Now again, I am going for a primitive look, so I like that it's not even. If you want yours to be even across the top, you would want to line them all up before you do this next step. So I'm going to figure out how tall I want them, and about 3 inches is what I'm going for. So I'm going to put my measuring stick at about 3 inches at this end, and then about 3 inches at this end. And then I'm going to make a mark on all of the sticks so I know where to cut them. If you had a saw, you could use something like that. I have found that these really thin sticks cut just fine with my pliers. So I'm going to cut each one of those right on the mark. Now you could save these other half if you wanted to make another fence. Then I'll just take some sandpaper and lightly sand each of those edges that I just cut off. Alright, I'm going to want my fence to be able to sit flat on a flat surface. So I'm going to take a ruler, or any flat surface will do, and push all of these sticks up against it to make sure that they're all at the same level on the bottom. Then I'm going to take some tacky glue, and I'm going to use a toothpick to dab a bit of glue, just a tiny bit, along the wire to attach the wire to the stick. Then I'm going to dab it off. I don't want to leave any globs. Then I'll set that aside to dry. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe below and click the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye!